guys? It's your girl Ngolo TV. If you want to know how I prepare this chicken food, please guys subscribe to my YouTube channel Ngolo TV. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload my video you will be notified, guys. This is chicken food. It's very yummy and delicious, guys. Yummy recipe, guys. Subscribe, guys. Let's be one family, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Ngolo TV. Hello guys, good day to you all. It's your girl Ngolo TV. Thank you all for supporting me. I really appreciate. God bless you all. To my new subscriber, God bless you all. To my old subscriber, God bless you all. So guys, today I'm going to be preparing chicken foot. I've washed it. You can see it. I've already washed it. So here I have my salt, seasoning cube, fresh tomato, garlic powder, ginger powder, black pepper. Here I have my onions, scotch bonnet pepper, bay leaf, and olive oil. So guys, it's going to be very easy and simple. So yeah, the ingredients I'm going to use to prepare it. Very fast, quick, and easy, guys. So guys, stay tuned. Let's start, guys. So guys, here is it. I want to start boiling it, guys. First I will add my chicken seasoning, salt, bay leaf, onions, so guys, I will be adding a little bit of water. Then cover it to start boiling. So guys, here are my tomatoes. I've already sliced it. Scotch bonnet pepper, I've sliced it too. My onions, I've sliced it too. So I'm going to use it to prepare sauce, and we are going to use the sauce to download the chicken feet, guys. So guys, stay tuned. Let's start preparing the sauce, guys. So guys, here is the chicken foot. It has already done. You can see that, guys. So I'm going to start preparing the sauce now, guys. Sorry for the noise, guys. I'll be adding the tomatoes and the scotch bonnet pepper together. guys, I will be adding the black pepper, garlic powder, ginger powder, so chicken seasoning, salt. So guys, I'm going to be leaving it for 5 to 10 minutes to steam very well, guys. I'll be back. So guys, let's check it. Time to taste. Okay guys, tastes very good. I'm going to leave it for 4 minutes more, guys. 4 to 5 minutes more, so that it will steam very well. Okay guys. So guys, let's check it. So guys, it's time to add the chicken food. Hello beautiful people. So guys, this is the finished look of my chicken foot. Yeah, I have my glass of juice. So here is the finished look of the chicken foot, guys. It's very yummy and delicious, guys. Oh my goodness. Wow, 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 wow. So let's taste. Oh my god. This is very, very sweet. Thank you all for supporting me. I really appreciate, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ngolo TV. Like my video, share and leave your comment, guys. Thank you all so much. This chicken foot is very delicious, guys. Just take a look at it. I'm going to be downloading it with this juice. I'm going to be downloading it with this my juice here, guys. This is very yummy and delicious. Thank you all so much for supporting me. I really appreciate. God bless you all, guys. God bless you all. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ngolove TV. Like my video, share, and leave your comment, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Stay blessed. Ciao.